Well, I made it to Biscayne Bay, and I parked here at Biscayne Key. Saw this dolphin. He came up to say hello, everybody. So we made it to the Keys. Alright. I got into this convoy of big ships moving through here. They're all making the bridges, so I'm riding with them. There's another iguana motel, and as always, there's a big one there. He's the boss of them all, I guess. So I dropped the camera, take a look at my bottom. I got a real forest on there. Get ready for some really cool videos. They're coming. We're here, people. We're here.